Welcome back to another WWE Supercard video. Forged tier is here. Yeah. Let's see. 500 credits. Thank you very much. So claim that. Thank you very much. Oh, there's some new collections. WrestleMania collections. I have two. What else do we have? That's just chat. Well, Wednesday, have they updated it? No. They updated the packs? Oh, they have. Oh, that looks good.
Nice.
That looks awesome. What else do we have? We have a Bounty Breaker. Bounty Breaker! I'd like Sybilis. Do that in a minute, chat. What else do we have? Oh. I mean, that looks good, but honestly, I would rather just save my credits at the moment. The Forge pack, as I said, comment down below if you want to see a pack opening. We have... Nope. We have all these sales on packs as well. That's nice for smaller players. Oh, and look at that board. Right. WrestleMania Freebie? Forged Freebie right now. So let's go to Money in the Bank. Before I do this, comment down below who do you think I'll get. And if you don't know who the contenders are, feels weird doing this because I'm normally behind. If you don't know who they are, let's go to catalogue. Oh yes. So as I said, comment down below. Right now, I have something in your head. There's 158 cards in this new tier. Wow. So we have AJ Styles, Angelo Dawkins, Apollo Crews, Oscar, Austin Theory, Bam Bam Bigelow, Becky Lynch, Bianca Belair, Big E, Bobby Lashley, Booker T, but we're getting him because he's an event card. Bret the Hitman Hart, Candice Relay, Cesaro, Charlotte Flair, Commander Aziz, that's a new card. Damien Priest, Dana Brooke, Dolph Ziggler, Dominic Mysterio, Drake Maverick, Drew McIntyre, Edge, Ember Moon, Eric, Eva Marie, awesome, Andy Hartwell, she was in the WrestleMania fusions, I believe. So this is her official card without a fusion debut. Welcome to see you. Swerve Scott, Ivor, JBL, Jeff Hardy, Jey Uso, Jimmy Hart, Jimmy Uso, Wild, Johnny Gargano, Kane, Karen Cross, Kaylee Ray, Kevin Owens, Kayleen Dane, Kofi Kingston, Kushida, LA Knight, Leon Ruff, Mandy Rose, Mick Foley, Montez Ford, MVP, Nash Carter, Nia Jax, Almost is there. That's a debut for him as well. R-Truth, Randy Orton, Raquel Gonzalez, Real Mendoza, Rey Mysterio, Rhea Ripley, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, Ricochet, Robert Roode, Roman Reigns, Sami Zayn, Santos Escobar, Seth freaking Rollins, Shayna Baszler, Sheamus, Shinsuke Nakamura, Shotzi Blackheart, Stevie Ray. Nice, that's another debut. The Breeze Breaker. Alright. The Boogeyman, The Fiend Bray Wyatt, Triple H. 2 of them, because you remember one's an event card who we are going for. Undertaker, Wade Barrett. Wow, that's another return to the game. Wade Barrett.
Alright.
Nexus, Wesley and Xavier Woods. That's your 158 cards in that tier. As you can see, I don't even think I've pulled over 100 in any tier. So I'm probably going to get about 60 of them, and then I'll possibly, maybe even 50, and that'll be my limit. I won't get all of them. But to get a forged, you need, in the collections, you need Mae Young, Cedric Alexandra, Ric Flair, Scott Hall, Alexa Bliss, and Adam Cole. They're your 6 contenders if you want a free I keep calling it WrestleMania forged card in the collections. Let's see. So you've got one person that's forged in my team, which is Shemags, myself, oh my god, Shellis is forged plus already. Wow. So there's 3 players that are forged in our team. Unfortunately, troops, we are losing in TBG. The backstory to that is there were no attack plan. So I can't really do anything about that, unfortunately. But we're not here for that. We are here for the freebie. Who do you think we're going to get, Emma? Male or female?
No.
Male. Any male. Come on. I would love Triple H. Oh, before I do this, actually. Sorry, my bad. No, that's up tomorrow. So we have Giants up tomorrow. And the reason why I backed out there is because I need cards for training food, so come on. Pick a number between 1 and 7.
7. Yeah.
7. Pick another number between 1 and 6.
2.
Nope. 1 and 4. 1 and 5, I mean.
Five.
Pick a number between 1 and 5. Four. 2, 3, 4. Nope. Try again. One, 4. Come on. Come on, bro. It's for my freebie. Sorry, chat. I'm just asking the team numbers for the freebie. Any time in the night would be really good. Reinforced, yay! Recording. Come on. One and 4. Pick a number.
Between
1 and 4.
that one.
1. Nope. Pick again.
Bottom one.
Nope. Pick again. It's last card a minute. You just gotta love it, chat. Oh, here it comes. And the freebie is AJ Styles. Oh. I don't even know if he's good in the tier, to be fair. There you have it, chat. AJ Styles acquired. First forced card in the game. Why am I dusting on these actually? Because I need them for fusion. No, I need them to level up AJ Styles. So, done. What's this? Achievements. 10 picks. Yay. Don't even know what for. That'll come in handy at some point, probably. I know all these I still need to do, man. Crazy. So, freebie was AJ Styles. One of my teams just hit forced themselves, so they're going to get a freebie. I still don't think it's possible. YouTube community, do you think it's possible for us to catch up and overtake? I don't think so. It's a good score. Everyone, if can, finish attacks. Hopefully they finish their attacks, and hopefully we can get a win out of this. It would be the greatest comeback ever. So there's Legend of Pain, attacks. My attacks are done, WWE's is done, Sam Wise is done. You've just got a few more to get done. 5 hours should be plenty of time for them just to attack. Superstore. 14 days. Right, so is it possible you can get a forged card from Superstore? Yes, it is, my guy, but chances of getting a female out of it is that. So this is what I got the offer for when it was £45, I think it was, UK money. I got it for this specifically because I knew that there was a new tier coming. You got 20,000 SE points, and I'm actually going to spend them right now trying to get another forged card for 4,000 SE each. So that's about roughly 3 packs. That's about 6 packs, roughly. Wait a minute. I was to do. You've got 6 packs of them, and I don't think I've got many tickets, to be fair. So 2 packs of tickets. We'll go with the PvP first and hope for the best. I can get lucky and then just build back up as we go along. It would be nice to get another AJ Styles in Prom. Speaking about AJ Styles, actually, I need to full start him. Forged, man. Wow. It's crazy how long we've came. All the grinding. I no longer have use for Taker now, so goodbye Taker. Goodbye Alexa Bliss. Let's see. Goodbye Braun Strowman. Don't need you. Goodbye. 6.1 million base stats. Crazy. Crazy. Oh. Just a couple of if my phone will let me. A couple of screenshots here for the third time lucky. There we go. 6.1 million, man. That's going to be serious damage. So here is my. It would help if I knew what I was doing tonight. Here is my Giants deck now. Here's where it's sitting. Oh my. Monstrous. Unfortunately, he does not fit in my Giants deck, but he's definitely going to fit in this deck. Just there. And he's certainly, actually is he? He will fit in this deck. By far. Clash of Champions, he fits in there. War Games, he's not fitting there. Oh, he does fit in there. Codebreaker, he will fit in there, surely. No, he does not. Because I have the normal AJ Styles. Anyway, let's get to this pack opening. So, short pack opening for you people. And we'll get on to the announcement for Friday for next week. Is it next week? yeah, chat, announcement for next week, so please give me something good. Please. 4,000 acquired. Oh my god. It's another one. Oscar. Bang. Double Oscar. Nice. Locking you in. For sure. That was just luck. Surely that was just luck. Please. Oh, I didn't get one. No. Look at the Wesley kid. It's nice, man, that. 2 packs down. 4 to go, I think. Please give me another one. Oh, it's not looking good, chat. It's not looking good at all here. I mean, I'll take one. Behemoth, but that's still good because that's leveling up food. Foundation sets and everything here. Please! Super card. At least give me another one. Please! It's a Shelton Benjamin, no. Bray Wyatt. 2 Behemoths. Come on. Please. This is second to last pack. Please give me one. Please. Oh, but you got WrestleMania. I don't believe this. So I'll get a Shelton Benjamin in the last pack opening. You just can't make this up. You can't make this up. Okay. It's a pro. Last one. Please, even a random support. Just give me something. Oh. It's a rip. It's a rip. Very happy with that Oscar though. Very, very happy. So that's 2 WrestleManias and we got, let's say, it's 2 WrestleMania Shelton Benjamins and 2 forged cards already. Man. And you know exactly what I'm doing next. I am doing the exclusive draft board constantly. I don't need any of you, actually, to be fair. Unlocked. Behemoths. It's a Behemoth party. I know. Let's just try and do a bit of modifying here. Forged plus, and Oscar is in my top 8 already. Nice. Right, now we do the ticket pack opening. Drag you down. Do that. Please. I've actually had the worst luck in these ticket pack openings, so I'm hoping that This pack opening is going to be good. Oh, it's a WrestleMania though. Oh, it's a train up. I got train upped. Okay. Maybe over. Nice. Oh, one more to do. I wasn't gonna, but wait a minute, what's this? Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh, it's a behemoth party basically. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh. Oscar. Oscar. Just a wee pack opening. For Oscar. 4K packs. Right, let's see if we can try and get the lights up on the list on the free bounty breaker. I highly doubt it, but let's just go number one. Let's just do it for you all. Number two. Oh man, well, out already. Okay, it's an easy one. I don't know if I should open two of these as well, just cause I can. You know what? You know what we're gonna do? We are gonna open all five. No, we're not. We're just gonna open two. Please give me a forged. That's all I care about now. Nope. Okay. Okay. Forged. Rough. Alexa Bliss, but not the right one. Nope. I got them. This is gonna sound crazy, chat. This is really gonna sound crazy, but if you are wanting to see, I don't know. And that's even for one. I'm thinking, just restart the game. No, I can't. I was going to say if you want... I can't even. It's... And that's for free. It's over that, actually. That'd be crazy. If you're wanting to see a pack opening next month of 5,500 credits a pack, comment down below saying 5k pack opening. It'll be on the 2nd of July. So if you want to see that, just comment saying pack opening 2nd of July. I'm sorry I didn't have a chance to finish name chat. I don't have the credits at the moment, but I will open let me see. It's gonna get expensive, man. We will open 2. If you comment saying pack opening, we might even open other packs in between. 2 of these meal packs and maybe promotional offers, if there's any. I need to go and rebuild for another large pack opening for that. If you liked what you see and you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button, like the video, click that bell to keep you entertained with videos like these, and I will see you tomorrow on the next video. Goodbye for now and peace out.